Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language on Roblox application using your mobile device. To change language setting on Roblox, first of all open up Roblox app on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page of Roblox, tap on More at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Info. Now from the Account Info section, tap on the Language option at the bottom and browse through the list of available languages. Choose your desired language and then wait for a few seconds. And your Roblox application will now be displayed in the language of your choice. You can repeat this step for every other language change you would want to make in the Roblox app. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.